Hi guys, this is my grandpa's fan. There's no switch right here. He gave it to me so I can fix and see what's inside this. And I'm gonna take some measures with this caliper and write them down. And later on, I'm going to 3D print it on Fusion 3D 360. So let's do this. Okay, so first I have to measure this width right here to this, so I can see how thick or how thin the piece is gonna be. Because if you can see right here, I don't think you can see right here. There's that little tiny piece right here. That thing right here. That is the piece that broke off. I need to 3D print something that can go in there and cause it's a circle right here, and we have to check if it's flat. Cause if it's flat, then that's good. But if it's to 3 or something, then we're not gonna be able to. Was it 3? Click it. Okay, so we're gonna have to try a different angle or something. So if it's in the middle, then phew, I don't have to do that much work. Okay. So now I'm gonna unscrew the bottom right here with the screwdriver. So now I got a screwdriver. I'm gonna unscrew all of this. Okay, I'm almost done. Simple. We should take the top off first. Oh, look at this. Uh-oh. Crap. Okay, so now to get a better measuring job, I don't think it's 11.5. I was thinking about that, and that can't be 11.5 millimeters. So we'll put this all back and get a better measurement. I'm hoping it's something around 5 or 6. It has to be. Stay still. So now Okay. Oh crap. Okay. I'm gonna plug it in right now. I'm gonna plug it in and see what happens. Sorry if you guys can't see. So I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, sorry. Camera's pushing. Okay. There we go. So now, so I'll measure it from right here. Wait, make sure it's at 0. You guys see? 0. Okay, 6.1. Okay. So the alright, so scratch this out. Circle P. Sorry for my writing, it's kind of bad. I'm just doing it for so it's 6.1. Okay. Okay. So now I'm turning it on. I'm gonna turn the switch. I can't, dude. That's hard. Dude, how do you turn the switch on? Okay. Okay, so it can't be 3.8. No, that can't be. What? No, that can't be. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. Not even near. So I had other predictions for this. Sorry about this. So I have, okay. So so here, I'm gonna restart everything, okay? It's kind of messy, okay? So it's kind of bad, but it's fine. We can work with it. So it was 6.1, okay? 6.1, this piece right here, the circle, okay? So now this piece right here is 3.7, okay? 3.7. Okay, so now, if as you guys can see, well, you guys can't really see right now, but this right here is a switch. You guys just need to see the switch right here, okay? So the switch is like right here, okay? So I'm gonna get my ruler. I'm gonna have to measure. Since you know how that hole is outlined and you need the stick so you can change it. The switch is like right here in the middle of these two, and that switch is going out to here. But the thing that comes out, the stick that comes out of the hole, it ends right here. So you get like at least a centimeter. So like, yeah, centimeter. Yeah, at least get like a centimeter. So now you have to measure right here like this. And that would be 5.5. So 55. It's 55. Because every centimeter is 10 millimeters. So 5. So that's like 5.5, kind of. So it's 5.5. So it's gonna be like 5. It's gonna be 5. 55. No, not 5. That can't be 5. It's 55 or 60. Okay, 55 or 60 or 65. Okay, so that's the measurement. Okay, so the rectangle piece is going to be 55 mm or 60 mm. Okay, that's the rectangle piece that sticks out. Okay, that we want that to connect it. Okay, it's like connects it, and that has the circle on it, okay? So for my grandpa's fan, so I'm gonna turn on the origin, create a sketch on the right here. He's playing 2-point rectangle right here. My measures are gonna be 60, and that's gonna be 10. I have it on my paper right here. And then I'm gonna hit like that. That's gonna go up to 6. I'm gonna hit C for circle. It's gonna come right here. It's gonna be right. Six. Enter D for, oh wait, no, not D for dimension yet. Circle. D for dimension right here. And then I'm going in the middle right here. I'm gonna make that dimension. That dimension's gonna be 3.6. Okay, right here. I'm gonna hit Q for push pull. I'm coming down right here. I'm gonna do distance. Distance through all. And I'm gonna hit OK. And I'm gonna come back with the C for circle. C for circle. Come another circle for 6. And I'm gonna put and then I'm gonna Q push pull this -1 hit enter. And then I'm going to put some fillets in right here, and that's going to be 2. So now that fillet is nice, I'm going to put F right here for both of these. Okay, sorry for that. I'm going to put the fillet as 2. Wait. The fillets as 2. No. Probably 0.80. That's good. Okay. So now, since we're done, you can hit A for appearance if you want. Not fabric. You can hit whatever you want. I'm gonna do a plastic for white. What the? See, I'm just gonna hit the white. Okay. I'm saying the white. Come down here for file, 3D print, and repetitive host, select this, and then I'll hit OK. Let's go, let's do this. Okay, we're gonna hit slice, and save. Okay, so this is what these lines are. So the reason why these lines are like this is because it wants to like get a rhythm first, like to see how smooth it is, and then it's going in for it. So that's what I like about 3D printing, is because it just starts off first to see what it does. To see like what it does, you like just stand there and see what it does. If you don't like it, you can stop it and remove it. But we could save for SD print. So I'm gonna save it. I already have a fan handle, but that was the other one that didn't work. And didn't pop up. Version 2, and not test, but version 2. SVV, okay, SCV, okay. Okay, now, go to files, and hit videos, USB drive, it's right there, okay? So, this is my first 3D print model. As you can see, this hole right here is teared up. Let me focus on it. This hole is teared up right here. It's teared up, sorry. Okay, so this is my first 3D print model, okay? This is for the fan, so I can go do to change the speed of it. And this is my second one. This thing is so snug that I don't want to take it out because it's plastic and it might break. So this was the first one, as you can see. This was too the circle is too small. So on this one we had to go to Fusion and change the measurements and go to repertoire host and to print it, put it on it, and not print it, put it on the SD card, then and then save it, and then put it on the 3D printer, and then print it. So now we have this in here, and we're gonna start to screwing. So as you can see, there's holes right here, and the first two we're gonna want to do is probably this one for the fan. So I'm gonna have to take this up like this. that kind of. This is gonna have to go like that. Okay, let's see if it works. Yes! Let's go! Okay. Okay, so now we know it's working. Whew, oh my gosh. Dude, if this didn't work, oh my gosh. Okay, okay. So now we know as it works. We have these other screws, but for the bottom. But here's the part. Here's the working fan and the working part. So this part was made on Fusion 360. Also this one too, but this one you don't really need. So this part was made on Fusion 360. Then we went on Repetier host, saved it to the SD card. Then went on to 3D printer. Yeah, plugged it into the 3D printer. And we had to change the thing until so we had to go to the SD card and press something so it made it work. And then we pressed the file name, which was I don't know. It's okay. But so now it's okay. So it works. So it's okay. Is it even if it doesn't have a little tiny even if it's not long enough, it still works. You just go like, it still works. At least that's better than nothing. It still works. Should have made it a little bit longer, but it's better than nothing. So stay independent.